Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm again going to talk about WASM models. So in previous video, I demonstrated how we can use the WASM models, and then using hot swapping how we can change the functionality of our application. So in this video, I'm going to show how we can load WASM module inside our application, and then we can how we can call the each individual function from the WASM module inside our Rust application. So let's look at the code. So here the left side in this is a WASM model. So this WASM model contains four functions: add, subtract, multiply, divide. So this function takes two arguments, two integers, and it returns one integer. So uh, we can build this WASM model uh, for this target. So this is the target for the for building or creating WASM models. We can install using Rust. So let's compile. So here we can see it has created this WASM model. So now this WASM model contains these four functions. Now in our Rust application, we are going to load this WASM model, and then we'll try to call the functions from this model inside our application. So here we can see first we have to initialize our WASM engine. Then we will provide the path of our this WASM model to the WASM engine, and then this wrapper function will create the instance of this functions which is being called from the our application, and then we'll try to provide the arguments and try to get the result. So here we can see we have initialized the WASM engine. Then we are providing this path uh, to the WASM engine. So this path is here. So our model is inside this WASM 32 folder inside release. So that path we have provided here. Then we'll inside this wrapper function using this linker and WASM interface. We'll try to create the instance of our function. So for this demo, I have taken this add function. So this add function, so here in the WASM model, we have this add function. So it takes two arguments, two integers. So here we are providing these two parameters. So and then we'll take the result here, and then we'll return the result to print here. So let's build this. So yeah, here we can see it initialized the WASM engine, then it successfully loaded the WASM model, and then it created the instance of the add function, and then it successfully called this function, and we are using these two integers, and it returned the result. So likewise, we can call any other functions. So suppose if we call this subtract, and then we'll again try to run this so, using same arguments. So yeah, we can see it successfully called the subtract function, and it will return the result. So we can call any function from this model and inside our Rust application, or any application which supports WASM and WebAssembly. So to create our web model, we can inside our uh, WebAssembly model, we can uh, collect different functions So we can have a different uh, we can have a collection of different functions inside a single model, and that model uh, we can use with any other application which supports WASI interface. So, and this model is portable, so we can use on different platforms as well, or any other language which supports WebAssembly. So, so likewise, this can be useful in certain scenarios where we can have a single model, or we can have a different model, but with a different implementation, and then we can use uh, these modules to load dynamically and have so using this either we can change the functionality, or we can change we can have a same weather model, and we can use it on different platform. So portability and flexibility we can get using this method. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and again in next video we'll try to come up with another use case of WebAssembly and Visual models. So keep watching. Thanks. Thank you.